Willow bark was historically used in serious infections like malaria and typhoid fever. It was considered specific for intermittent fevers, meaning fevers that come and go. Willow's astringency was also frequently favored for addressing excessive diarrhea, as in dysentery. Herbalist Seven Song recommends willow as an anti-inflammatory. He uses it frequently to increase comfort during a cold or during the flu. And it has many benefits for these symptoms. As an astringent herb with antiseptic properties, the decoction of the bark makes a good gargle for sore throats. I'll show you how to make that in just a moment. There is some question whether willow bark is the best choice to address fevers. While fevers were feared in the past, there's now a growing appreciation for this important immune system function. So using aspirin or other drugs to artificially lower a person's fever is no longer the standard recommendation. So does willow bark act in the same way? Does taking willow bark interrupt that important immune system process directed by the fever? At this point, I'm not sure, so I tend to use other herbs with diaphoretic actions to support the fever process. Some of my favorites are elderflower and yarrow, both of which I have solo episodes for. In 2021, some preliminary in vitro research showed that willow may have some anti-inflammatory benefits for COVID-19. The researchers concluded, our in vitro data suggests that salix extracts might present an additional anti-inflammatory treatment option in the context of SARS-CoV-2 peptides challenge. Do you love herbs? Are you dreaming of becoming an herbalist? Join us at herbswithrosalee.com or click the link in the description to be a part of our vibrant herbal community. Let's keep the love for herbs growing. See you in the next snippet.